Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss one more example of shift reduced parser. In the shift reduced parser, mainly we are performing four operations. We already discussed the operation. Shift means shifting, that is push the input symbol to the top of the stack. Reduce means if the top of the stack matches with the right side of the production, then it is replaced with the left side non-terminal. So those are shift and reduce. And the third operation is accept. That means if the top of the stack is the starting symbol and the input is empty, then that is accepted by this parser. In any way, if there is a mistake, that is if it does not match and it is not possible to reduce, the fourth operation is error. Anyway, whatever we discussed the concept, the same thing is implemented with this example. Now the grammar S tends to TL, T tends to either int or float, L tends to L comma ID slash ID, and this is my input. Now observe how we are performing the operation. First one is stack and the next one is the input string, and the third parameter is the action we are performing, shift or reduce or accept or error. Initially stack is empty, that is represented with dollar. What is my input? Int id comma id semicolon dollar. id comma id semicolon dollar. So dollar is used to represent end of the string. First one, it does not match. If it does not match means simply we are doing shift operation, dollar int id comma id semicolon dollar. Now again int. So the right side of the production matches. If the top of the stack matches with the right side of the production, then it is replaced with the left side variable. Now the operation is reduce. T tends to int. Now here T id comma id semicolon dollar. Now T. So there is no matching on the right side. Simply we are doing shift operation. We are doing shift operation, dollar T id comma id. Okay. Now id. So is id is matched? Yes. id is reduced to L. I am doing reduce operation. L tends to id, dollar TL, dollar TL comma id semicolon dollar. Now TL, any match is there? No. Observe here, this is a TL semicolon. There is not a match. Simply we are doing shift operation, dollar TL comma id semicolon dollar. TL comma is there? No. Again we are doing shift operation, dollar TL comma id semicolon dollar. Now again id is there. id is replaced anything? Yes, it is possible. But remember, instead of blindly reducing, if there is a possibility, our aim is you need to pass the string and at the same time reach to the starting symbol. Anyway, this id is replaced with L. But observe the pattern, L comma id is also there, that is replaced with L. So I am doing my reduce operation. L tends to L comma id. So dollar TL semicolon dollar. Now TL, again there is no match. We are doing shift operation, dollar TL semicolon dollar. Now TL semicolon is available, that is reduced SLT. Now dollar S dollar. Now observe what is the top of the stack. Yes, S is the starting symbol. My input string is empty. That is, if it is dollar means my input string is empty. What is the case? The case is accept. That means this string is parsed by using this grammar with the help of shift reduced parser. This is the concept of shift reduced parser. Thank you.